Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to share with you guys my very first design team package that I received from Beebeecraft. I will make sure to put the link to the store as well as direct links to all the products that I will be sharing today down in the description box, as well as a discount code. So if you spend at least $40, you can get $5 off your order by using the code MIMI5, and I will have that all listed down in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get started. Here is the first item that I picked out. These are the acrylic flower bead caps. And you get quite a few in this bag. I don't know the size of them, but they are so super cute. And I only have like, I think, white ones, and they're smaller than this. So there are a bunch of colors, and I can't wait to create some projects using these. So I did get a bag of those. I also picked out these are called painted glass beads, and I just loved all the colors in here. These are 8mm, and you get 200, so that is a lot of beads to work with. So let me just... Ooh. The colors are just so vibrant, and they're really smooth. And this is like one of the sizes that I like working with. Of course, the aqua ones are my favorite, but I don't have to worry about running out because there are a ton in here. I also picked out an assortment of flower bead caps, and hope you guys can see that. It already comes in this little compartment container, which is also really nice. These are really nice quality, and I like them because they're a little bit heavier, and I don't have a lot of this like type of size. So there are 6 different styles. I also got some of these chunky acrylic beads. I actually don't own any beads that are acrylic, and I loved this pack. Look at the bright colors. I'm really drawn to pastels and bright colors. These, I believe, are 12mm, so you can see the size difference. But they're so fun. They kind of look like gumballs to me, and you get quite a few in this package. So I can't wait to create some projects with this. And then finally, I did get a set of dies. I don't know if you know that Beebeecraft not only has jewelry making supplies, they have a whole slew of other items, like crafting items. So they do carry some dies, so make sure to check that out. So these are the mini flower dies. You get 8 different like petal shapes, and it looks like you get like a bigger one and a smaller one of the same shape. So you can totally layer them together and create some more dimensional flowers. I've been kind of on a flower making kick lately, so I wanted to give these a try, and I don't have flower dies this small. So those are the items that I picked out for my design team package. If you have any questions, make sure to leave me a comment. Let me know if you've actually used any of this stuff or picked up anything from Beebeecraft. I would love to know. Make sure to use my coupon code if you want to save $5 on an order of $40 or more. And also make sure to stay tuned to my channel. I will be back with a couple of project shares and tutorials using these products. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having a great week so far, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.